Hello, this is Mike Dyson with MarineMax Sail and Ski in San Antonio. Today I'm taking a look at a really nice pre-owned Sea Ray 260 Sundeck. This boat was sold new by our dealership, serviced routinely with one original owner. It's a freshwater boat featuring a water sports tower with integrated bimini top. It's got this beautiful two-tone gel coat. The color is called patina. Really stands out, really gives it an upscale, rich look. People always love the 260 Sundeck, not only for the big swim platform, but this big lounge back here. What a better, not a better way to hang out in a cove than in those lounges there, with stereo control integrated, cup holders right where you need them. Again, big swim platform with SeaDeck matting on it for comfort. This boat's powered with a 350 mag MerCruiser that's going to be 300 horsepower. Coupled to the Bravo 3 twin prop outdrive. Previous owner, again single owner, added some underwater lights. We do have trim tabs on this boat for really nice control. Sea Ray Sundecks have always ridden on a deep V hull that really handle the rough water very well. They perform well. They drive and steer and handle extremely sporty. Just a great boat for getting out of the water and having some fun. Freshwater system on board. Pop-up cleats, pump out head, designed to hold a crowd. We'll take a look inside in a minute. What a beautiful example of a nice, clean, one owner, pre-owned freshwater Sea Ray boat. Let's take a look inside. Here we are on board the 2012 Sea Ray 260 Sundeck. Very popular transom lounges here. Extremely comfortable place just to hang out, enjoy a day in the cove, watch the kiddos swim. This is a storage bin here that does have a drain in the bottom of it. You want to keep some cool drinks at hand, easy to do that. All stainless steel compression latches, stainless steel block off door here. Nice side entry walk-through from the transom, makes an easy transition inside of the boat. We also have the snap out flooring. Passenger seat there right in front of the roomy head compartment. L-shaped lounge. Little sink, wet bar area with tons of storage. You may notice all of the speakers in this boat have been upgraded to the JL audio. There's amplifiers and subwoofers on board, so a custom sound system. Here we have the bow seating. This actually has the optional forward table. You can see that base right under there, little plug-in. This also has the optional sun pad kit, so you can make this a full sun pad up here if you want to. People really enjoy having the armrest built in. Gives you extra comfort and security when you're riding around. Of course, you have handrails, easy to reach. Storage areas built into the combing pads there. Forward spray nozzle, so if you're stepping in from the beach, you can spray that forward area off, keep it clean. Additional cup holders, bow speakers, so even the people up front are going to enjoy the music. Also got a small cooler there, so they can keep their drinks up front within easy reach. Windshield wiper. Heavy duty frame windshield. Sea Ray always uses the best windshields you can buy. You'll notice these bucket seats feature a flip-up thigh rise. Again, everywhere you look, cup holders, cup holders, cup holders. Sea Ray does a great job of utilizing all the space. Thoughtfully laid out dash is right in front of the helm seat. Easy access to our stereo. All of the switches are illuminated when active. So if you turn something on, the end of the switch will actually light up. Also at nighttime, all of your labels light up the description, so you can tell which switch does what. It's not an icon that you're trying to figure out which switch is doing this and that. It'll tell you clearly what it is. We do have a SmartCraft gauge system on this boat. Gives you all your engine vitals, everything that you'd want to know, including hours. Again, 254 hours, one owner, freshwater use. Boat has been completely mechanically inspected. It has been completely brought up to current service. So as they say, it is turnkey, ready to go. Easy access to our engine compartment here for your daily checks. Previous owner installed a bilge heater, so wintertime use. When you're not using it, you just plug it in. We've got a dedicated plug here. You can keep using the boat year round. Nice storage area here, access to your batteries. Lots of nice insulation for sound so that motor noise is kept to a minimum. Additional storage here. There's our component subwoofer there. Optional upgraded sound system the previous owner had installed. You notice all the upholstery is soft. There's no cuts that I can notice. Everything is really, really nice condition. This boat is turnkey, ready to go. Take a look at our head compartment here. Freshwater sink down below there. Opening port light with stainless rim. Plenty of room to get down there. You need to access the head. Additional storage over here. That's where our tables will store out of the way. Again, Sea Ray just designs everything so thoughtfully. Easy access to our trash can receptacle there. I've been on this boat. I sold this boat new. I'm here to help you with the boat as well. Feel free to call direct. Again, my name is Mike Dyson. That phone number is 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.